Lucid Gravity, it was really important for us to develop colours that were very dynamic, very sporty, very technical, but also had an earthy tone to them. The Aurora Green in particular has quite a subtle silver flake, but then also this brilliant green highlights to feel at home on the road, but also just as at home in the wild.
So here we are in the heart of the paint shop in Lucid's AMP1 facility in Casa Grande, Arizona. And behind me, one of the pre-production prototypes of the Lucid Gravity is being painted in this glorious Aurora Green. And there's no one better than Adam, who runs this place, to explain this process.
So the vehicles come in from body in white. We seal them through our sealer process. Then we run them to the paint booth where it really gives it that beautiful finish before we send it to general assembly.
Wherever we can, we'll always find sustainable methods. We develop water-based paint colours, and that's not only better for people, but it's better for the environment. We work really closely with our paint team to make sure everything is harmonious and matches that original design target.
Our quality requirement is actually perfection. We don't have any room for error. We're constantly monitoring quality, make sure we build a perfect vehicle.
And ultimately, we try and create this beautiful story that brings design and engineering together.
We're bringing the Lucid Gravity, the best, most sustainable SUV in the world, to you very soon.